safety and the security. Think of the concept, then we'll make the tomorrow. We'll take the pictures of that particular video, right? So we are just distributing according to the group wise. Swati ma'am. Group two were here, but no one in. No one in the Nishta. Group three. Do we have any participant have Nishtha training? No one. Three in group three.
Group 3 hour. Group 3 nobody has. Group 2 no one.
Group 3 no one. Group 4. So both of you have know that. Sir, we can switch either ma'am or sir. We can switch to with group 3 or मतलब आप either you can go to 3 or 2, and sir you can also shift to the group 3 or 4 and group. Yes, please be seated in your seat. Our resource person is here. We'll discuss this after the session. Today with us Professor Sharad Sinha ma'am. Ma'am is professor in head Department of Teacher Education in NCRT, and ma'am is associated in various capacities related to the curriculum reform policies and strengthening of diet in SCRT. Ma'am, we welcome you here.
Thank you so much. I'd like to use my laptop if it would get connected. दे देंगे. I'm just coming from the ministry. There was a meeting. एंजल का हुक्म आ जाता है ना. मना नहीं कर सकते. So good afternoon. All of you are from which diets, which states? I just came to know except Kerala, all southern states are participating. आप कैसे आ गए? आप डाइट में कब चले गए?
Some from RIR.
Who are they? Why?
Mom adding to us because they put a different part of us. That
अच्छा. You are starting Haryana. Very good. आपको पता है हमारा हरियाणा का नुकसान? कनेक्शन. प्रेजेंटेशन अभी आ जाएगा, चिंता मत करो. अभी कनेक्ट हो.
Yes.
अभी कनेक्ट तो नहीं किया ना? नहीं. ठीक है. So have you seen the document? Coming to the point, I am Sharad Sinha, presently heading the Department of Teacher Education at NCRT. माइक दे दोगे तो अच्छी बात है. दे दोगे. Presently heading the Department of Teacher Education of NCRT for last 4.5 years, and I would not say my expertise is in something, but we are in constant interaction with the diets of all over the country. Just day before, I was there in Bhubaneswar addressing the diets of Eastern region, and there we addressed the same issues, preparing them for being diets of excellence. We had 73 participants from Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand, and Andaman. So these were the 4 regions which are under the jurisdiction of RI Bhubaneswar. Our RI people might be knowing it. We have 5 RIs, and there are certain states under the jurisdiction of 6 to 7 or 8 states. So whole country is divided into 5 zones. Are you comfortable with English or Hindi?
English.
Okay. बीच बीच में हिंदी भी बोलूंगी तो समझ लेना. तो तो उसमें जो डाइट्स फॉर एक्सेलेंस की बात है. हाँ,
everybody mixing Hindi वही madam.
नो आई एम कंफर्टेबल इन बोथ द लैंग्वेजेस व्हाटएवर यू से.
But we are not comfortable.
You are not comfortable, so I try to make you very comfortable. Okay. So the problem, it is not a problem. The issue is we have had the National Education Policy 2020, right? Now National Education Policy 2020, there is so much for everyone to read. There are so many questions which would have come particularly from the southern states. what is that we have to do new. There was a lot of reluctance from some of the southern states also for taking up the national education policy. And they, like states like Karnataka, state like Tamil Nadu, you all must be from there also. They have their own policy. They are coming up with their own policy. So let the policy be anything, but the national education policy with which is taken up by all the states, it has two chapters on teacher and teacher educators, right? You must have seen or not. Have you seen it? You must have seen it. I assume that it has been 5 years and you must have gone through that document once at least. So if you have seen that, that is a very condensed document. We were associated with the preparation of policy. We did the groundwork, we went to the villages, we went to the school management committee. I went to particularly to the state of Odisha and Uttarakhand, and we took the inputs from everyone. Everyone means people, ground level people, and what has to be there in a futuristic looking policy. So earlier document was 650 plus page draft national education policy, which was later condensed into a 63 page document with a few annexures. So in these 63 page, everybody is talking of NEP 2020. What is that? That is new. What is that you have to implement? रुक जाओ यार, अभी कर देंगे, कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा तो स्टेज सेटिंग तो करनी चाहिए ना साथ। पीपीटी पर प्रोफेसर थोड़ी है हम लोग, वो तो हम दे ही जाएंगे, पढ़ते रहेंगे सारे, ठीक है। थोड़ा हमारा अनुभव भी तो बताने दो उनको। तो द थिंग इज दैट, अब ऐसा क्या है, क्लोज योर आईज फर्स्ट, आई ऑलवेज से क्लोज योर आईज फर्स्ट, जस्ट थिंक कि व्हाट इज दैट वी नीड टू डू टू बिकम एक्सेलेंट। डाइट्स ऑफ एक्सेलेंस पे बात करने के लिए मुझे कहा गया, आई हैव बीन टोल्ड टू स्पीक ऑन डाइट्स ऑफ एक्सेलेंस। जस्ट close your eyes, think what are the points which I would implement to become a diet of excellence or help my diet to become a diet of excellence. Think and speak. अब बताइए, इतना समय काफी था मेडिटेशन के, सो जाओगे नहीं तो लंच के बाद। बताइए, ये ऑनलाइन है। वेस्ट बंगाल के लिए बनाया था, वो जो मैंने आपका ऑर्डर दिया वो बना के भेज रही है, इसमें स्लाइड को चेंज करके। ये परसों के लिए किया था ना, ये वाली डाइट्स यहाँ नहीं है, इसलिए रुकी हुई है। ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, चिंता मत करो। यस, टेल मी प्लीज।
Diet should have the facilities for ICT, madam, and the teacher educators should be well versed with it.
ओके, और क्या?
Must have a plan of action
और
and
क्या? और क्या?
good labs with
और
all
क्या?
facilities.
डाइट्स का मेन फंक्शन ट्रेनिंग है,
हम्म,
तो क्वालिटेटिव एस्पेक्ट से देखा जाए तो गुड क्वालिटी ट्रेनिंग होगा तो उसका एक्सेलेंस बढ़ेगा।
To understand the actual NEP.
ओके, और
You have to design number of programs to involve student teachers in number of activities.
ओके,
You do not let the students be free.
एक्टिविटीज मीन्स
Activities means innovative activities means
लाइक
research activities, research actions like that. New pedagogical. Basically now FLN is at the highest gravity, so the steps they let the students be able to think over it and do a plan of action how to improve the FLN among the across the state.
what else?
Good feedback and
Who will give the feedback? Feedback for what?
about implementation.
तुक्का नहीं लगाना मेरे सामने। Give pinpointed answers which you think are right. If you don't think they are right, don't give. If you feel you have something which would contribute to the upgrading of your diet and becoming of excellence. Do you think your diets are excellent?
Implement to government norms.
Government के norms तो करने ही पड़ेंगे. You can't
Inevitable.
escape. That is
The
inevitable.
students who
They
are
are non-negotiable. You have to do everything. You are getting grants from the government. You have to follow the rules followed made by the government. Right. That is inevitable, non-negotiable. But बताइए ना what you will do. Suppose जैसे मम्मी कहती है ना अच्छा बच्चा है, टाइम से नहाता है, टाइम से खाता है, मम्मी का कहना मानता है, वैसे डाइट क्या करे अच्छा बच्चा बनने के लिए? टेल मी.
Study the impact of every act where diet transit in the environment nature.
और अभी क्या है जो नहीं कर रहे हो आप?
first list out the failures where we list out the demerits where we failed. We have to sort
Again.
out.
Okay. Again a question. Have you are from multiple diets. Have you carried out or have you ever ventured to carry out a study on what doesn't work on diets? आज तक किया? For how many years you have been in diets?
Teachers teaching not well.
Now you will have multiple answers to this, which you will be hesitated to admit in front of a crowd like this. But this is a home, this is a family of educators. So don't be afraid to admit your follies. When you admit your follies, you come to know the remedial measures also. Okay? So now you people are not willing to speak much. So I will have to do the talking. कहते हैं ना चाइल्ड सेंटर्ड क्लासरूम. The classrooms are more teacher centric. And the children are not speaking, that the teacher has to speak. Otherwise, if the teacher also doesn't speak, then what will happen in the classroom? There will be chaos. Whatever you want to do, you do. Whatever I want to do, I will do. And the time will pass. So this should not be in our classroom. We have a classroom of very vibrant people. I see you as very intelligent people, and definitely I have tried to make a PPT, but sometimes when I speak, I don't like to speak with PPTs. But you will be definitely seeing a very colorful PPT. वो आप देखना जरा. तो कलरफुल पीपीटी आप देखेंगे तो आपको मजा भी आएगा. बट डाइट्स ऑफ एक्सेलेंस इज अ स्कीम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. व्हाट इज दैट स्कीम? हाँ रुशाली बोलो. हेलो. हेलो. सेंड इट प्लीज. हेलो. यहाँ पे नेटवर्क नहीं आता क्या बेटे? हाँ वही पैसे पता नहीं कनेक्ट. मैंने तो अपने हॉटस्पॉट से किया. चलो कोई बात नहीं. वाईफाई से कनेक्टेड है ना. पहले एक बार निरंजन ने कराया होगा. ओके फाइन. सो हाउ डू यू इमेजिन? अच्छा डाइट एक्सेलेंट हो जाएगी तो क्या होगा ये बताओ. चलो आपने डाइट एक्सेलेंट है आपकी, एक्सेलेंट नहीं है, आपके दिमाग में आंख बंद करने पे 2-4 आइडिया आए. अब डाइट एक्सेलेंट हो जाएगी तो क्या होगा?
Empowering the diets, sir, by providing the funds.
Huh?
Empowering the diets by
How do
providing
you
funds.
empower the diets?
By providing the funds, giving the lab facilities.
Do you know what the scheme of diets of excellence is?
You can breed quality teachers, madam.
आप गवर्नमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट पढ़ते हो? नहीं पढ़ते? Diets of excellence is a scheme in which every diet will be given a sum of up to 9 crores. Now what is your say on that? 9 करोड़ रुपए मिलेगा. अब आप क्या करोगे? I am giving you 9 crore rupees. Government has already given to many diets. In a phased manner, every diet is getting this amount. Now what will you do?
Madam, if the hostels are not there for the students, we can construct the hostels.
Hmm?
हॉस्टल।
Hostels में
बस 9 करोड़ में
infrastructure
हॉस्टल ही
development
हॉस्टल बनाओगे हैं?
नहीं
See, divide this like this. Some amount for infrastructure, some amount for quality, some amount for maintenance, some amount for curricular materials. तो see, infrastructure के लिए देखिए जहाँ पर development होता है और government gives money. So first of all, the money is spent on infrastructure because that is very easy to do. That is very easy to erect a building. It is very difficult to teach a mind than to erect a building. You can erect a building. 2 बाथरूम में 4 बाथरूम बना लिए, CWSN टॉयलेट बना लिया, रैम्प्स बना लिया, से इट इज इंक्लूसिव फ्रेंडली, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बन गया. देन व्हाट? अ ब्यूटीफुल 5 स्टार बिल्डिंग विद नो फैसिलिटीज, no teaching happening, no student learning anything, no teacher taking any initiative. Will it become a diet of excellence? No, it won't. So there will be multifaceted things. So I think you must have not read this. The Diet of Excellence scheme says that 9 crore amount up to 9 crore will be given to each and type. Do you know how many diets are there in the country? Huh? Tell. When you come to a program, huh? आप किसी शादी में जाते हैं तो कैसे जाते हैं? हम्म? सज धज के। तो ऐसे एजुकेशनल प्रोग्राम में आते हो तो मेंटली प्रिपेयर होके क्यों नहीं आते? हाँ? शादी में you put on your best attire, you put on your best, ladies put on their best jewelry, men put on their best perfume, they have a nice hair dye and all that. फिर जाते हैं ना, तो यहाँ पर आके पढ़ के क्यों नहीं आए? है इत्तेफाकन आ गए। तो इस इत्तेफाक को बहुत खूबसूरत इत्तेफाक बनाइए, शाम को जाकर पढ़िए और ऐसे ही मेरे जैसे लोग आए तो उनके सवालों का जवाब दीजिए। ठीक है, इत्तेफाकन भी आए तो ब्रेन तो फंक्शनल है, काम तो आप करते आए हैं ना उस एरिया में। ठीक है, तैयारी नहीं करी तो भी आपका अनुभव तो कुछ बोलता होगा ना। तो ये डाइट्स ऑफ एक्सीलेंस का जो डॉक्यूमेंट है 3 साल से मिनिस्ट्री की वेबसाइट पर पड़ा हुआ है। 3 years it is on the Ministry of Education website. इन 3 सालों में 365 दिन इंटू 60 इंटू नंबर जो आप कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए आवर्स, इतने आवर्स में आपको 1 घंटे का भी समय नहीं मिला उस डॉक्यूमेंट को देखने के लिए जो आपकी डाइट्स की दिशा बदल दे। तो फिर आप बदलाव कैसे चाहेंगे? आप सब तो सरकार से चाहते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट पैसा दे दे, ये कर दे, वो कर दे। What will you do on your part? Tell me that. What is expected on your side? 9 crore. Now the diets which have been given, they are asking me question, madam, how to spend this money timely? ये 9 करोड़ रुपए हम कैसे खर्च होए? हमसे खर्च नहीं हो रहा, ये वापस चला जाएगा 30th मार्च को। The first installment, they are not being able to spend it. If they are not able to spend it, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के नॉर्म्स होते हैं कि फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट जब तक आप नहीं स्पेंड करोगे आपको सेकंड नहीं मिलेगा। Now they are at their wits end to find ways to spend the money. एक्सेलेंस किसी के दिमाग में नहीं है, पैसा खर्च करना सबके दिमाग में। तो क्वालिटी आएगी कहां से? आएगी क्वालिटी? टेल मी दैट। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया तो करोड़ों रुपए डाल रही है, स्टेट्स को मिल रहे हैं। आई एम विटनेस टू ऑल दैट। Just now I went to the social audit team. I gave her the complete data that how much money has been pumped into social audit, and only 19 states have done social audit till now. In 5 years, how much money has been? तो nevertheless हम एक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर सोच के आए थे कि आप लोग जब आएंगे तो हम आप लोगों के साथ में कुछ बातें शेयर करेंगे। वो बातें ये हैं कि नाउ आई एक्सपेक्ट दैट सब लोग, क्या होता है कि आप कभी, आपको इतने प्रोग्राम्स आप लोग अटेंड करते हो, इतने पीपीटी मिलते हैं, हाउ डू यू यूज दोस पीपीटी? ऑनेस्टली किसी और को पढ़ाने के लिए उस पीपीटी को यूज करते हो? रेयरली। उसको देखते हो कभी? रेयर। बहुत बार मॉडिफाई करते हैं, अपना डेवलप करते हैं। चलो, देन दैट इज अ गुड प्रैक्टिस। सो आई वेंट टू कुंभलगढ़ 1 month back. And as my practice is, people go to religious places, temples. I also go if I get time. But I try to go to the nearest school. I ask the people which school is very good, right? And which is like a diet nearby. I try to go there and find out the conditions. I'm not an inspector there. I just have come to visit and so I go.
So I come to know lot of nitty gritties, lot of problems of the people. So I went to a diet near Kumbhalgarh, and you know Rajsamand district में है ये, राजस्थान के लोग जानते होंगे, and it is having, they took me to a school, leaking walls, mud वाला वो गोबर वाला plaster वाला roof है, and children crammed into the room, and there was a single teacher, and she has been teaching there for 8 years. And you know rural classrooms कैसे होते हैं कि they have a different aura. You people are in this room, smart boards, and it is so, this is so attractive. है ना, you attractive, you are totally wired from all the side, you have good place to sit. Children do not have like that, but still they have what they have. What I don't see in your eyes is the spark in their eyes. They want to learn despite of all this. Okay, that spark is missing in we adults, most of our adults, right? So what struck me was the challenges. There the challenges, कमरा अच्छा नहीं है, बैठने की जगह नहीं है, टाटपट्टी पे लोग बैठे हुए, टाटपट्टी you understand, a flooring mat made out of a gunny bag, and that they were sitting. And the same school, it happened, it went, and earlier I had gone, and then after 3 months I went again. And as usual, being a teacher myself, being a preacher also, I would say preacher, I told them, you can do this, you can do this. I motivated the teacher. I will name her as Kamla. I motivated, you can do this, you can do this. There's Government of India scheme. You can ask your officers for that. And there are officers also with me, Rajasthan government officers. They also did not know much about the scheme. So I told them, and after 3 months when I went, then I could see the change. शी ब्रॉट सो मेनी, टीचिंग एड के लिए पैसा है, वो सब कुछ उसने प्रोकर करने की कोशिश करी, मांगा, उसको मिला. एंड देयर आई कुड सी द चेंज इन 3 months. a single lady a single lady in a village school could bring out a change in 3 months. Then why you people with no 9 crores rupees cannot bring? That is my question. Okay, the diets, I would say, and she was ably helped by the diets of Rajsamand people. उन्होंने टीचिंग एड्स जो उनके स्टूडेंट्स की एक्स्ट्रा थी वो उसको दी, उसके साथ में शेयर करी. वो टीचिंग एड एक कमरे में जाके डंप हो जाती है. शी दे गेव इट टू दैट स्कूल. दे डोनेटेड देयर वियर्ड आउट फर्नीचर आल्सो. उसी को ठोक पीट के उन लोगों ने फर्नीचर बना लिया. सो व्हाट इज अ वेस्ट फॉर मी मे बी अ ट्रेजर फॉर समवन एल्स, those who do not have. So they tried to recycle that thing or also. So diets, I would say, they took the lead. It was not because of my prachar. It was because of the diet people who went out and helped them. So I foresee teachers not as training institutions. I see diets as change makers. I call them as nodal center or the nerve centers. NCRT is doing a lot of things. SCRT in turn in the state is doing many things in the state. But for that thing to reach to the state, every district there is a diet. How many districts are there in the country? वो भी आपको पता नहीं होगा, कोई बात नहीं. 739. There are 613 functional diets. 650 diets are there. Functional are 613 diets in our country. Some are non-functional, some are proposed new, but there are 613 functional diets. You can check the data, you can cross-check the data. So in these 613 diets, 613, these would be turned into diets of excellence after some time, right? After some time means in a phased manner. Phased manner, many of the diets which have been chosen in the first phase have been given the first installment. Second installment, all of the government money. Suppose you are getting 1,000, so it will be given in chunks. First you utilize the first installment, then the second installment, and then later. So the whole money, if it is earmarked for your diet, it will be given to your diet. So this is the scheme. And what does the scheme envisage? I'm just looking for that. It has not come. Anyway, I will do it with the Bihar PPT only. Yes. मैं आपके डाइट्स के कंटेक्स्ट बता रहा हूँ, शेयर कर. या इसको बड़ा कर दो. या बड़ा दिख रहा है. हाँ दिख रहा है. ये नहीं है. करो फुल करो. वहाँ से करो. प्रेजेंट मोड पे तो हाँ चलो ठीक है चलो हाँ अब आपको मजा आएगा क्योंकि पीपीटी से पढ़ने की आदत होगी और कंडीशन विद पीपीटी अब ज्यादा मजा आएगा बोलेगा पीपीटी मैडम दिखाएगी मैडम विल नॉट आस्क क्वेश्चंस नाउ क्यों नवेंद्रा है यही बात है ना okay now this is the objective of this diets of excellence scheme जो है उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि डाइट डिस्ट्रिक्ट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड ट्रेनिंग को वाइब्रेंट सेंटर्स ऑफ एजुकेशनल एक्सेलेंस दीज वर्ड्स आर नॉट जार्गन्स ये ईस्टर्न कल ये बनाया था ये परसों के लिए आई हैड गिवन द डाटा ऑफ योर्स 5 मिनट पहले मुझे पता चला कौन से डाइट्स आ रही हैं तो ये इसको थोड़ी इसके लिए मुझे माफ कर दो अभी अपडेटेड पीपीटी भी आ जाएगा आई जस्ट सर्च फॉर द डाटा ऑफ योर डाइट्स एंड आई हैव गिवन दिस वाज फॉर डे बिफोर एट भुवनेश्वर आई गया नाउ ये तो जा ही नहीं रहा यार तुम्हारी मशीन खराब है सारी टेक्नोलॉजी गड़बड़ ओके आई विल रिलाई ऑन माय ओन चलो जाओ this was for eastern statement the total number of diets how many diets are there in your state हरियाणा 22 हरियाणा में पहले जब हम रहते थे तो 19 डिस्ट्रिक्ट थे नू एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट बना था मेवात से
जवानी भी चक्की
अब और हाँ
चक्की दादरी में
तो बनते जाएंगे बढ़ते जाएंगे है ना
एक नॉन फंक्शनल है भिवानी
हाँ आप हरियाणा से कहाँ से रोहतक तो गढ़ से आए हो आप अब नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी डाइट्स को क्या रिसर्च करती है आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा तो वो डाइट्स के लिए क्या कहती है यू मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ दैट व्हाट डज इट से अबाउट नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी is speaking about every institution. No, when it is speaking about every institution, what does it expect from your institution? It expects that you should be very vibrant, which you are not. Because diet is a dying cadre, everybody says. Facilities come here, people get transferred to the diets आराम करने के लिए और नहीं इट्स लाइक दैट नॉर्मली पीपल बाहर ये इंप्रेशन है आप लोग बहुत मेहनत से काम करते होगे बट बाहर ये इंप्रेशन है कि वहाँ ज़्यादा काम नहीं है ओनली एक डीएलएड का कोर्स है और ठीक है चलेगा बढ़िया है तो इसीलिए लोग चले जाते हैं there's no separate cadre right so that makes it very difficult for people to have faith in the diets है ना तो इनको रीइमेजिन इनको पुनर्जीवित करने के लिए इनको जिंदा करने के लिए डाइट्स को इमेजिन किया सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस अब नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा टीचर रिफॉर्म्स के बारे में टीचर रिफॉर्म्स speak that by 2030 if you are aware particularly regional people will be aware that by 2030 only teacher preparation course will be ITEP and ITEP is a 4-year integrated course in which every teacher will be prepared whether foundation preparatory middle or secondary sir क्या हो गया don't make me feel that I am just speaking to zombies ठीक है I have come I have 2 workshops going on my own workshop one is for recruitment practices and one is for Nishta for acting don't make me feel insulted that with all the efforts I have put in to stand before you आपके मोबाइल पे मैसेज चेकिंग बाद में भी हो सकती है there are 24 hours in a day spare 1 hour of which of almost 15 minutes are gone if you want to make me feel insulted like this I'm very happy to go I'm not interested in speaking to people who are not listening to me
No, it is not like that, madam. Some urgent message may be.
हाँ अर्जेंट मैसेज व्हाट इज मोर अर्जेंट देन लर्निंग जब आपको एक्सेलेंट बनाने की बात करी जा रही है तो उससे ज्यादा अर्जेंट क्या हो सकता है इज इट अ कार्डियक सर्जरी दैट यू हैव टू परफॉर्म आर यू अ सर्जन कि सम पर्सन इज डाइंग विदाउट योर एब्सेंस इन योर एब्सेंस पे अटेंशन if you don't want to pay if the message is urgent go out and attend please सो डाइट हैव बीन, कैसे बनेंगे आप एक्सेलेंट? एक्सेलेंट बनने के लिए जज्बा चाहिए, मेहनत चाहिए, डिवोशन चाहिए और डेडिकेशन चाहिए, जो आई डोंट सी इन पीपल। हाउ विल यू, तभी तो टीचर एजुकेटर्स को वो सब मजाक उड़ाते हैं कि टीचर एजुकेटर्स तो कोई भी टीचर एजुकेटर बन जाता है। टीचर एजुकेशन को सब खाला का घर समझते हैं। एवरीबडी कैन गो टू नानी का घर, एवरीबडी बिकम्स अ टीचर एजुकेटर बिकॉज यू डोंट स्टैंड योरसेल्फ एज टीचर एजुकेटर्स, you don't assert yourself, you don't know your rights, you don't know what is there. None of you knows the right of excellence scheme, which has been there in the ministry for 3 years. I am the person who is telling you कि वो मिनिस्ट्री की साइट पे पड़ा हुआ है। The money is coming and flowing, you don't have the, you don't know how to trap that money. फिर आप बोलते हो ये बना दो, ये बोर्ड नहीं दिया, ये इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं दिया। You cannot change, you can't be change agents, you will be only passive। आप दे दिया, कर दिया, पैसा खत्म कर दिया, खत्म कर दिया, कुछ नहीं हो सकता इस देश में जब आपके जैसे लोग हैं। I'll come, I'll read the PPT and I'll go. I'm not interested in speaking to you now. So the ministry says the expanded role. There is it talks of pedagogical structure. The change pedagogical structure, that is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. What is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4? If I ask you.
Foundational
preparatory.
Okay. And what was diet catering to earlier?
Earlier,
What was the area to which diets were to cater to?
Foundational and preparatory, ma'am.
earlier primary, now
Yes.
up to secondary.
Okay. Now that terminology is changed, so all of you as educators should use the new terminology so that you are not also confused and you also don't confuse others. Okay. And then it comes to comprehensive training. Now I was telling about ITEP. ITEP is the only teacher preparation program. That is 4-year program in which there is a separate provision for separate credit for foundation teacher, preparatory teacher, middle teacher, and secondary teacher. Now the question, the big question mark before diets is that if that will be the only course, what will happen to the D.Ed course which you are and already you must have observed there is a decline in the number of applicants for D.Ed course in all over the country, in the diets of all over the country, because everybody is opting for ITEP. They would say in future that is going to be degree. So your existence is in question. You should be worried about it. Since your existence is in question, तो आपको 9 करोड़ रुपए क्यों दिए जा रहे हैं? Why we are upgrading you? That means a bigger role is expected of you. आपसे एक बड़े रोल की अपेक्षा है. And then your area of influence, which was only till the primary, as you said, is in being extended to middle level also, even to secondary level in some of the states. So when that happens, then you have to widen your horizon of thinking. You have to widen, or you have to jump out of your boots that only हमको elementary का कराना है, उससे नहीं, उससे आगे नहीं कराना. You have to be curriculum developers, you have to be textbook framers, you have to be digital content creators, you have to be creators of resources in regional languages. Your role is forever expanding because the country needs all this. And if it is coming from practitioners like you who are already doing in the field, you may be a Kannadiga, you may be a Tamilian, you may be a Malayali or any other language, you may be speaking Hindi. For you it is very easy to make language resource multilingual material or digital resources in your language, which will be easily accessible here. All of you are understanding either English or Hindi. But suppose a child who only knows Kannada, he or she will face problem. A child who only knows Tamil, then he or she will face problem. The resource will be nice. Somebody speaking in English, it is going to be difficult. So here your role is expanded, and digital resources, the number is numerous. You can create n number of digital resources on any topic in under education. Just think of it. And then self-regulation. There's a we have recently prepared a quality of education framework for SCRTs, and I have submitted the document to ministry. Just like this, the department SCRT will also get huge funds based on that document. So you have to be ready that what would be your, how would you be judged? पैसा आएगा तो how you have utilized, that will also be judged. So you have a, we will have to prepare internal quality accreditation and assessment framework. इसको हम कहते हैं पीएमसी स्कूल्स का नाम सुना है? दे हैव अ पीएमसी स्क्वाफ, स्कूल क्वालिटी SQUAAF. Similarly, we have prepared IQF for SCRT, recently submitted document. Now you will see that this type of documents you will only have to create. The quality parameters you will have to bring into picture. Nobody else. I sit here and I do not know the condition of diet, your diet. I do not know the condition of your diet. I will not be able to bring out those fine parameters into the graph. Right? So this is how your role is expanding. Then this was a regional snapshot. I had asked my one of my project fellow to send add this. She has not done. Anyways, चलिए कोई बात नहीं. This was about all the diets and their infrastructure, and yeah, this is useful for all. So there are six major pillars. Like you were telling that we will build hostels because you must be facing the problem of hostels in your school. Like you could just see if you this is very much visible on your screen. Please tell me if you need something else or any other parameter is left off. यहाँ मेरे पानी का बॉटल था.
चलिए.
अच्छा, हाँ. Read this and tell me. Is there something which is left out? इधर से ले लो ये वाला.
Diet will also look after vocational education. Physical education, I think.
Tell me
Pre-services.
what does it say about free service?
Research, pre-service is the pre-service curriculum.
This is something which I have culled out for you. टेक्नोलॉजी सबसे गंदी चीज है. It fails when you need it most. So this is a snapshot which you will get of the diets, and this is a compare. This is of this thing, infrastructure compare, and sanction diets. This gives the number of sanction diets. This is the availability of smart labs. I came to know. I took out the data of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry, and Goa and Lakshadweep. Are all these states here?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Yeah, and
Goa
Haryana.
is
हाँ, ठीक है. Puducherry is not there. कोई बात नहीं. You be informed. Then number of hostels, like you said, this is the availability of hostels. This is the availability of ICT integration. These are number of brides. Only 1% of this have this much availability, and these are the number of brides. This way, I don't know how she has depicted. Just I'll explain it. है ना? मुझे हाँ. अब हम ये डाइट्स ऑफ एक्सेलेंस पे आए थे. तो पहले तो infrastructures, they have to be better. Infrastructure means all proper rooms, well ventilated, with all the devices, internet connectivity, good furniture, ergonomic furniture, and then of course we would say that internet connectivity, that is very important. Empowering teachers, there is something like 50 hours of continuous professional development which is annually done. Now you become, here you see a big opportunity. Diet teachers, people from the diet can prepare lot of programs. भाई एक टीचर कितनी तरह के प्रोग्राम चाहेगा? They may be wanting on ICT integration, they may be wanting on cyber security, they may be wanting on creating devices, creating teaching learning devices, handling the children, classroom management, okay, even financial management which we do it, and various schemes of government of India, what are useful for you. You may be having lot of, so if when you are conducting this, if you are speaking to an audience like this, okay, so 10 people will get informed, 20 people will inform, and somebody will bury this information under their heart, okay, दिल ही दिल में रख लेंगे, किसी को बताएंगे नहीं. Somebody will speak out to their officials. How many of you go back and tell your officials what you have learned? Some of you do. In Vellupuram school, when we were doing a research under RMSA, we went to a school in Vellupuram, that is Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu में ही ना
Yes,
Vellupuram?
yes.
Yes. हाँ.
Viluppuram, madam.
Yes, I cannot speak in the
Correct,
accent.
madam.
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah. So I went to a school under RMSA. We were studying for quality assessment tools, and that was way back in 2016. In 2016, I could see one of the teacher. He took a training from NCERT RMSA. He went back and he created a complete diary. Then he create, at that time we told them something about rubrics. He put their students in rubrics and he color coded them. Red ones, they need more attention. Green one, they are up to the mark. Yellow one, this way he color coded them. And for those who needed something more, he himself used to take extra class. And in that school, I saw a best practice. The best practice was they on a Saturday, second Saturday, or whenever they had a holiday, all the teachers used to come, and the modules, earlier we did not have this, so we started giving the hard copy of modules. So 4 or 5 copies of modules were done there. Everyone used to carry the module. Now you carry in your pen drives and all that, or we send you the email. In the drive we share it with all. So practices they improve. So they used to get it photocopied and circulated among the staff for a week. Whenever they found time, on a Saturday, they used to come with their question how this was done, how we can do this in that school. And that was such a wonderful practice. I never saw this practice anywhere in the country. That a teacher going back, sharing, and the principal himself or herself making effort, sitting there and asking what has been done and what our school can emulate. So, this is a practice which needs to be emulated. Right? Technology has helped us to reach so many people. Like if I give this deliberation on PME Vidya channel or NCRT official, many people will listen. Many people can access it. But here, how many of you carry it? I do not know. It will just fade. I feel it will fade as our like जो हमारा एक रील को देखने का अटेंशन स्पैन होता है ना, बस हमारा उतना ही अटेंशन स्पैन. Earlier, we used to be so interested in seeing YouTube videos. Now अभी speed 2x करके देखते हैं, भगा भगा के देखते हैं. फिर उसके बाद फेसबुक ने हमारा को ये पकड़ लिया, तो फेसबुक ने इंस्टाग्राम में रील्स बनाना शुरू किया. रील इज ऑफ curly tails 59 seconds. रील इज ऑफ 59 seconds. और वो 59 सेकंड भी हम नहीं देखते. We are constantly scrolling. That is something that has held. We are very high on dopamine. What is dopamine? Dopamine is a hormone. Dopamine is a hormone which gives you
Pleasure.
huh?
Pleasure.
Happiness.
anticipation of pleasure. ये रील में अच्छा नहीं है, आगे वाले में अच्छा होगा. अरे नहीं ये बेकार है, आगे वाले में अच्छा होगा. So you are constantly seeking pleasure and you don't get it. So we are a dopamine high educators. कि शायद अब कुछ अच्छा होगा, शायद अब कुछ अच्छा होगा. So with this decreased attention span, it is very difficult for us to make interesting things for people to happen, to keep their attention. अभी आप लोग सिर्फ इसलिए attention दे रहे हो मुझे कि ये फिर डांट देगी जैसे उधर चिल्लाया तो, ठीक है यार. So let us pause to be attentive, because I can know who is I can very well know who is attending and who is physically present and mentally absent. ठीक है. So better be aware, because I can come to anyone. Room is very small. हाँ, तो ये पिलर्स हैं हमारे. ये क्या हो गया यार. फिर उसके बाद में इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन, क्लासरूम इंक्लूसिव. देखिए आप ये देखोगे, ऑटिज्म डिसऑर्डर बहुत ज्यादा रिपोर्ट हो रहे हैं, मेंटल हेल्थ डिसऑर्डर बहुत ज्यादा, जो बात पहले लोग नहीं करते थे, नाउ इट इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ इन ओपन. सो द नंबर इज इंक्रीजिंग. सो द नंबर ऑफ सच पीपल एंड सच केसेस इन द क्लासरूम. सो तो पुराने तरीकों से एक रैंप बनाने से क्लासरूम इंक्लूसिव या स्कूल इंक्लूसिव नहीं हो जाता. द टीचर्स हैव टू बी सेंसिटाइज्ड. वो सेंसिटाइजेशन के लिए यू कैन प्रिपेयर सो मेनी प्रोग्राम्स. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को सिर्फ रैंप बनाने से नहीं होगा,
Fishing app and all.
है ना. या टॉयलेट बना. आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. इट्स सच अ पेनफुल एग्जांपल. अगेन, in RMSA we continued, we did so many research study, we went to so many places, and in Himachal Pradesh there was a lady. She was not a faculty member. She was struck by polio and she could not walk. She used to come to the office in the wheelchair, and she was some typist or clerk, I don't remember her position so well. And then she said me what she said कि मैडम आप लोग इतना ग्रांट देते हो, सब कुछ देते हो, यहाँ पर सिर्फ रैम्प बनाने से इन्होंने चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली कर दिया. बोली मैडम मैं सुबह से आती हूँ तो शाम तक मैं पानी नहीं पीती हूँ, because I have to go to the toilet and there is no toilet which is I cannot use the normal. She had tears in her eyes, and when I narrate I also have tears in my eyes. आप इमेजिन करिए कि आपको सुबह से शाम को टॉयलेट जाने से रोके, आपकी क्या हालत होगी. और वो हैंडीकैप्ड औरत, आई वुड से ब्रेव वुमेन, शी यूज्ड टू गो, अपनी व्हील चेयर पुश करके अपने घर जाती थी. और उसके ऑफिस में जो स्टाफ था वो इतना इनह्यूमन था कि उसे सीट छोड़ने नहीं देता था. और उसका घर ऐसा नहीं था कि वो लंच में घर जाकर वापस आ जाए. At that time, we advocated for CWSN toilets in the PAB. और अब उसके लिए ग्रांट मिल रही है. Things are happening, they happen slow. And I feel that that lady must be blessing me that it has happened after so many time, and I must have got उसका blessings तो जरूर मिला होगा कि this lady has gone and अब वो हुआ है, पता नहीं वो सर्विस में है या नहीं. But I always feel for such things. और ऐसे लोग जब हमारे सिस्टम में बढ़ जाते हैं तो हमें असिस्टिव टेक्नोलॉजीज की भी जो जरूरत होती है वो डिफरेंट है. सिर्फ बैसाखी देना या व्हील चेयर देना इज नॉट सफिशिएंट. नाउ वी हैव मल्टीपल नीड्स, मल्टीपल डिसऑर्डर्स, है ना. सो वी रिक्वायर मल्टीपल डिवाइसेस. और बहुत सारी चीजें आ गई है, टेक्नोलॉजी हैज मेड. सो व्हाट आर दैट.
Giving them equal opportunity in all the terms.
नहीं नहीं, वो डिवाइसेस के बारे में जानना भी तो चाहिए. यू कैन हैव अ कोर्स ऑन दैट. यू कैन टेल देम. एटलीस्ट जिन लोगों को पता नहीं है कि क्या हो सकता है उनको आप बता सकते हो, ठीक है. और सपोर्ट स्टूडेंट विद डिसेबिलिटीज में यही सबसे बड़ा सपोर्ट होगा. यू टेल देम दैट हियर इज अ स्पेशलिस्ट, he can help you out, she can help you out. If you do that, that is a bigger support. But for that you have to have the knowledge about it. You can create a small 1 credit or 2 credit course for that, right? You can create a module for that, then develop a course for that. इतना काम है डाइट्स के लिए. और ये डिजिटल स्टूडियोज वगैरह जो डाइट में दिए जा रहे हैं वो यही सब बनाने के लिए, कंटेंट क्रिएशन के लिए, कंटेंट क्रिएशन इन रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस. पेरेंट्स डू नॉट नो इट इज अ डिसेबिलिटी. कोई बच्चा है स्लो लर्नर इज अ बैड टर्म, आई थॉट इट टेक्स टाइम इन लर्निंग. तो लोग कहते हैं पागल है, ठीक है. दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस इज अ डिसऑर्डर. डिसलेक्सिया, डिस्ग्राफिया, तो वो तो तारे जमीन पे देख के लोगों को समझ में आ गया. बट स्टिल पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि it is a disorder which could be corrected. But how could be corrected? Where do we have the time? You could send them to specialist people. Okay, तो कहाँ पे भेजोगे आप? You should know ना. You should know the sources, where to go, whom to consult. That is your role. And then vocational education. What has been done in the policy for vocational education? एक टिश्यू होगा. वोकेशनल एजुकेशन में क्या करा जा सकता है? 6 बैगलेस डेज सुना है आपने? 10 बैगलेस डेज. This is starting from class 6 onwards. So you can prepare multiple activities. You can go to the website of PSCCIV. वहाँ पे guidelines for 10 बैगलेस डेज दिया हुआ है. Read it and it is free of cost. Download it. ये लोग दिखा देंगे. 10 बैगलेस डेज वाला दिखा देना इनको. And then you can see and then you can find out what are the activities which could be conducted. Recently I saw that some university in Gujarat conducted a seminar on 10 बैगलेस days. ठीक है. It's important to tell them about what is inclusion में उनको करना क्या है ना? Sorry, inclusion बैगलेस days में what are the activities they have to be done, है ना? And then they can get in touch with the local artisan, local people, and project like that from farm to plate. How does the food reach? Villagers know it. सिटी वाले बच्चों को तो जर्मिनेशन में चना वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट करा देते हैं. दैट जर्मिनेशन ऑफ ग्रास. थैंक यू. एंड देन local art, music, agriculture activities. Then business and entrepreneurship. They could go to some local industries. They can go to some local industries, see how things are made, how manufacturing takes place, like soap units, simple toy units. They can go and they are so fascinated. Who knows? That gives you. They may not take it as a vocation, but they would understand that how much pain goes in preparing a small thing. They would respect you. See, you would respect me if you think I know something which can be useful to you. You would respect me if I have something new to say to you. You won't respect me just because I am standing here and speaking before you and I'm shouting on you. You won't respect me for that. Okay, you just say she came, she shouted, and she went. Okay, but you would remember me if there is something very impressive, something one thing hits you, you will remember me always. So this is exactly these artisans, small diya makers, small industries that like the soap making, candle making. There are such units everywhere. Decorative pieces making, rakhi making. So children get a feel of it and they understand how important it is. These activities, they are not so easy to do. And then community, like even every child drinks milk, but how does that milk travels to him? And how much effort Haryana people know that the ladies they get up before 4 o'clock. They go, they wash the cattle, they feed the cattle, sani banate hain, sara chara banate hain, everything, and then they feed the cattle and then they milk the cattle. It's the woman is throughout the day involved in the families. Okay, so it's not that easy. The dairy, the milk which is coming in bottle, you pay and you get it. It's not easy. It's a big journey it travels. So community skill development, how people help each other, and how are we dependent upon each other. जस्ट इमेजिन एक दिन दूध नहीं आए घर में तो क्या होगा, एक दिन न्यूज़पेपर नहीं आए तो क्या होगा, बच्चों के खेलने का एक भी टॉय नहीं रहे तो बच्चे क्या करेंगे. एंड इन दो सिचुएशन यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट दे आर. एक दिन आपके घर की काम वाली नहीं आए तो क्या होगा. इमेजिन दैट सिचुएशन. योर वाइफ विल बी फ्यूरियस. महिलाएं आप लोग बताएं, काम वाली नहीं आए तो क्या होता है. इमेजिन दैट सिचुएशन. भगवान करे ऐसा ना हो आपके साथ. And then collaboration. Diet need to collaborate with diets also. They need to collaborate with government organization also. That is corporate social organizations responsibilities. Now there's a new term coming up, PPPP, 4P. That is public private philanthropic partnership. People do it for charity also. Recently I forgot to get that cutting and pasting it. Recently near a village in Jodhpur, two people who were NRIs, they came to visit their places and native place. When they came to visit their native place, their headmaster who had taught them, he took them to the school. And when they saw and he requested that there are some schools in which there are some classrooms in which there are only one fan. There is only one fan. And when there is one fan, then children, as you know, in Rajasthan, garmi zyada hoti hai. It's very hot, a desert place. So he said, would you please, very humbly the principal requested, would you please donate a few fans for some of the classroom in which it is not there? The men were moved to tears. They said, they for 5 days they stayed there in the village. They gave so many funds. They instructed so many people. They just changed the face of the school. They donated computers because they were NRIs. They imagined that how bad conditions are there for men. So people are ready to give. You have to trap the right people. You have to find the right people and ask them. It's not that जैसे जब हम लोग छोटे थे ना, तो वी यूज टू मेक होली, सबके घर में चंदा लेने जाते थे. आई वॉज ऑल्सो इन दैट टोली. नहीं है चंदा, तुम लोग हर त्योहार पे चंदा लेने आ जाते हो. तो पीपल यूज टू शू अस आउट. और तब उस समय 5-5 रुपए मिलता था हम लोगों को. नाउ दिस चंदा टेकिंग हैज बिकम एन एक्ट ऑफ philanthropy. Somebody wants to do good. We also want to do. We also drop money in the hundi of the temple. We also give it to some beggar. We also give it to some needy. So best dan is siksha ka dan, and people are understanding it. Okay, so you can go in for this type of partnership also. And industry, when you take children to industry, they will also be wanting some people, young children. Although 18 से नीचे तो they cannot work, it's against the labor laws, but children can help their parents. I have seen young girls helping in mothers who are doing stitching to stitch buttons. I have seen children in Pushkar, which is the Amla city. Young, small children, they come up to midday meal, they have midday meal and run away and go. Then I try to find out the reason. दे आंवला को बॉईल करते हैं और उसको तोड़ के उसका गुठली निकाल के फेंकते हैं. एंड दैट इज ड्राइड एंड ऑल दीज च्यवनप्राश वैद्यनाथ ये लोग ले जाते हैं उसको इन थाउजेंड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ किलोस. सो टेकिंग आउट दैट गुठली आउट ऑफ इट, इवन यंग चिल्ड्रन हेल्प. स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन, छोटे छोटे 3 ईयर के बच्चे. We say child labor is banned, but they go and help their mother because the number of amlas you have broken, their daily wages are according to that. So even एक बच्चा एक दिन में 50 दे देता है, तो that increases the wages of the mother. So people are helping. When you go and see, you realize. So this industry collaborations, अरे भाई आओ ठीक करो इसको, क्या हो रहा है. Now expanded roles, इसके बारे में हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. And I have also spoken. ये थरथरा क्यों रहा है? अच्छा ठीक है. सो फाउंडेशन लिटरेसी एंड न्यूमरेसी में आप कर ही रहे थे. ओके, 10 मिनट्स में घड़ी नहीं बांध के आई ना. घड़ी लगा रखी है कमरे में, मैं 10 मिनट से पहले खत्म कर दूं. ठीक है. तो फाउंडेशन लिटरेसी और न्यूमरेसी में आप कर ही रहे थे. करिकुलम और पेडागोजी में भी आपका रोल बढ़ गया है बिकॉज 5+3+3+4 स्ट्रक्चर में भी आपको काम करना होगा. नाउ जो पीएबी में, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो अबाउट पीएबी मीटिंग्स?
Plan approval.
Project approval, annual that is which you send for the Ministry for Funds. When you're sending to the Ministry of Funds, so there are certain group of officers who are involved. आपका इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं होता है तो आपकी आवाज वहां तक नहीं जाती है. तो ट्राई टू गेट योर सेल्फ इन्वॉल्व इन दिस project making exercise also, so that the issues of diets are also reflected in the project approval board and your problems find a voice. Like I spoke for that woman in Himachal Pradesh. I don't take the credit, but I feel proud every time when I speak this. Because I did not give the money, the ministry gave the money. But when I kept on constantly telling, that special provision was included. Okay, so technology integration, digital literacy for leaders, those who are technophobic, unko sikhana, like Angel Madam is doing, constantly making people digital. Every time I speak to her, Angel is doing some training or the other. So she is doing her due. Now digital literacy has to be propagated because even I saw in Bihar वो लाई मुड़ी वाला बेचने वाले के पास भी पेटीएम. So everybody is using digital money, digital currency, and digital literacy is known सबके लिए. They can access the videos. वो रील भी बना रहे हैं, गांव वालों के रील के भी इतने सारे इंस्टा में फॉलोअर्स है, मैं देखती हूँ. तो द थिंग इज दैट डिजिटल लिटरेसी, टीचर्स क्यों पीछे रह जा रहे हैं? हमें पीपीटी नहीं आता, हमें ये नहीं. एक पीपीटी बनाना ही डिजिटल लिटरेसी नहीं है भाई. दिस लॉट टू द डिजिटल लिटरेसी, है ना. सो स्मार्ट क्लासरूम है. स्मार्ट क्लासरूम, अब मुझे ये यूज करना नहीं आता, ये इतना बड़ा पैराफ्रेनियर देख के मुझे डर लगने लग गया. शी इज कॉन्स्टेंटली हेल्पिंग. देन यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ मीडिया, डीटीएच चैनल्स, हाउ फॉर योर ऑप्टिमम दिस थिंग. नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो समथिंग विच इज वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड. कोलोबरेटिव, हम लोग अकेले अकेले अपने घर में बैठ के काम करते रहते हैं. सो वो गाना है ना, एक अकेला थक जाएगा मिलकर बोझ उठाना. सो दिस इज कोलैबोरेटिव लर्निंग, है ना, कोलैबोरेटिव ट्रेनिंग. जॉइंट प्रोग्राम्स करिए, डाइट्स एससीईआरटीज के साथ करें, एससीईआरटी इंडस्ट्रीज के साथ में करें. निष्ठा के ट्रेनर्स आप सबने निष्ठा ट्रेनिंग करिए. लिस्ट बनाइए, कोई अच्छा ट्रेनर किसी सब्जेक्ट में मिला है उसको बुलाइए, उसका ऑनलाइन सेशन करवाइए, अपने साथियों को बताइए. इफ यू नो वन स्पार्क, कहते हैं ना, अ स्पार्क नेग्लेक्टेड, लियो टॉल्स्टॉय ने लिखा था, अ स्पार्क नेग्लेक्टेड बर्न्स द होल हाउस. ओके, एक चिंगारी को आप छोड़ दो तो घर भी जला देती है. एंड वन चिंगारी, वन स्पार्क ऑफ मोटिवेशन कैन टेक यू एनीवेयर एट द टॉप. ओके, सो बी दैट स्पार्क. एंड ऑन साइट सपोर्ट, यानी आप एनसीईआरटी एक ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो हमेशा आपकी हेल्प के लिए तैयार रहता है. कौन सा ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दुनिया में कोई ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है जो अपनी सारी रिसोर्सेस लिख के वेबसाइट पर डाल देता है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. कॉपी इट, यूज इट फॉर ट्रेनिंग, यूज इट फॉर टीचिंग. हम, एक पब्लिशर एक कॉपी के, एक किताब के कितने पैसे लेता है? एनसीईआरटी सारी रिसोर्सेज, बिकॉज वी प्रिपेयर ऑल दीज रिसोर्सेज फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया फंड. सो वी आर फॉर द पीपल. डोंट हेजिटेट इन टेकिंग असिस्टेंस. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ स्कूल से आपको ये पता चलेगा एज अ डाइट फैकल्टी व्हाट एवर स्कूल वांट, हमारे स्कूल्स को क्या चाहिए. सो यू हैव टू कॉन्स्टेंटली. अब आप देखिए, पहले जमाने में टाइम्स आर चेंजिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिवाली के समय क्या होता था? आई एम जस्ट ब्रिंगिंग यू टू द फेस्टिव मूड वंस अगेन. दिवाली के समय क्या होता था? जब पूजा हो जाती थी उसके बाद में पूजा की प्रसाद की जो थाली होती थी, उस थाली में से प्रसाद लेके सबके घर में हम लोग जाते थे इन अ प्लेट कवर्ड विद क्रोशिया का टेबल क्लॉथ, एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू गिव एवरीवन. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? थोड़े दिन बाद डब्बा कल्चर आ गया. टुडे आई वाज इन मिनिस्ट्री, आई सॉ मेनी पीपल कमिंग विद बिग बिग बॉक्सेस. आई सेड दिवाली आ गई. ठीक है. फिर थोड़े दिन बाद पता चला नकली पनीर पकड़ा गया, नकली मिठाई पकड़ी गई, नकली खोआ पकड़ा गया. देन पीपल शिफ्ट टू nuts and this thing, dry fruits and nuts. And then meetha was totally out. Now people don't exchange meetha anymore. आई डोंट नो, गांव में करते होंगे तो करते होंगे, क्योंकि गांव में लोगों को डायबिटीज नहीं होता. शहर में लोग तो नहीं मीठा नहीं खाना. ठीक है. होता है कि नहीं होता? हाँ. तो जैसे जैसे ट्रेंड्स, फेस्टिवल के भी ट्रेंड चेंज हो रहे हैं, तो टीचिंग के ट्रेंड में लोगों की रिक्वायरमेंट्स में चेंज हो रहा है. तो हम अपने रवैये में चेंज क्यों नहीं ला रहे? व्हाई आर वी नॉट ब्रिंगिंग चेंज इन आवर एटीट्यूड? माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट. ओके. देन ये 100 पॉइंट असेसमेंट ये मैंने बताया था, बिकॉज आई डिड एन एक्सरसाइज देयर. मुझे ये आ गया है. तो 60% फॉर ये, इसमें ना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटीज विच आर एग्जिस्टिंग, human resources which are human resources means teachers, and recognition and programs which you are conducting, if they are good, they are yielding good results, उस पे 15 मार्क्स है. तो मिनिमम बेंचमार्क 60% चाहिए. इस पूरा जो डाइट ऑफ एक्सीलेंस के सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया में हर डाइट को नहीं मिल रहा है. जो कम 60 पॉइंट्स के इस स्केल में, 100 पॉइंट स्केल में 60 पॉइंट स्केल आ रहा है, दे आर गेटिंग इट. ओके. एंड देन fund sharing pattern, again you know that is standard, that is 60 to 40, 60% by central government, 40% by your state, 90-10 ratio ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट, राइट. एंड यूटीज में ऑलमोस्ट 100% होता है. और ये सारा कवरेज एरिया जो भी डाइट्स ऑफ एक्सीलेंस में पैसा मिला है, द फंड इज फॉर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, द सैलरीज ऑफ टीचर्स, ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स, कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग प्रोग्राम, मटेरियल डेवलपमेंट, कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग, इन पांचों हेड्स के अंदर मिलना है पैसा. ठीक है. अभी एविडेंस बेस्ड फंड फंडिंग में 60, ये हरियाणा चंडीगढ़ ये डाला है. और एसेंशियल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नॉर्म ये है. आई वुड नॉट डिस्कस इन, चाहो तो फोटो ले लो. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ब्लॉक इतना होना चाहिए. दिस आर द स्पेसिफिकेशन. स्टूडेंट सपोर्ट के लिए हॉस्टल चाहिए, इतनी कैपेसिटी का मिनिमम. टॉयलेट रेशियो भी है 1:15, दैट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ टॉयलेट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये नहीं कि एक टॉयलेट बना लिया और आप डाइट ऑफ एक्सीलेंस बन जाएंगे, है ना. क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर पॉइंट्स, मल्टी पॉइंट्स, देयर शुड बी अ कैंटीन और कैफेटेरिया, एंड टेक्नोलॉजी एंड सेफ्टी. देखिए, these are all things which I have been mentioning throughout. These are essential infrastructure norms, and recommended staff strength is this much. आप लोग ऐसे वाइब्रेंट होना चाहिए जैसे ये कलरफुल लोग बैठे हुए हैं. एंजल, इनको लंच में क्या खिलाया था? सबको नींद आ रही है. ठीक है. So there are 25 academic positions which are proposed. For para academic we call it librarian, work experience, statistician. ये जो थोड़ा थोड़ा जरूरत है, जो पार्ट टाइम या कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल, एंड 20 नॉन एकेडमिक, दैट मीन्स पीए, स्टेनो, क्लर्क्स, एलडीसी, यूडीसी, ये है. और करंट एकेडमिक वैकेंसीज इन ऑल द डाइट्स ऑल ओवर द कंट्री इज 52%. हमने ये ईस्टर्न रीजन का ही था, लेकिन रिटेंशन स्ट्रेटजी, ये दिस हैज नॉट बीन चेंज अपडेटेड, एंड immediate action points are these. That is, you have to self evaluate, you have to assess what is infrastructure, what is the deficiency, what more. वो जो आंख बंद करके करने की एक्सरसाइज बोली थी वो ये थी. ठीक है. आंख बंद करके ये सोचना चाहिए था आपको जो आपने नहीं सोचा. सेल्फ इवेल्युएट अगेंस्ट 60 पॉइंट्स, वेयर डू यू स्टैंड, and identify the critical gaps, document what is needed on priority, what can wait, it can come second time in the second installment. Capacity building of all these things. अब capacity building में हर बार एंजल नहीं करवाएगी. You have to develop your own resource pool. Okay. And collaboration जो मैंने बार बार आपको बताया है. So collaboration is also one of the very important point. You should look out कि किससे collaborate करना है. ठीक है. यू शुड राइट फाइंड आउट दोज एबल पार्टनर्स, है ना. और इसके लिए आप यू हैव टू मेक अ प्लान. आई ऑलवेज इंसिस्ट ऑन मेकिंग प्लान, दैट इज क्वालिटी एनहांसमेंट, शॉर्ट टर्म गोल, मीडियम टर्म गोल, एंड लॉन्ग टर्म गोल, राइट, that are related to quality enhancement, program development, and monitoring and evaluation. Okay. So you have to develop what is performance. मतलब जैसे विद्या समीक्षा केंद्र में आप जाएंगे तो इस तरह के डैशबोर्ड्स आप डेवलप करें, परफॉर्मेंस स्टैंडर्ड्स के डैशबोर्ड्स. रेगुलर सर्वे करें कि व्हाट इज वर्किंग वेयर एंड व्हाट इज नॉट वर्किंग. एंड ऑफ कोर्स कुछ इनोवेशंस हुए, जैसे वेलुपुरम का मुझे 2016 का अभी तक याद है. आई रिमेम्बर इट. हिमाचल प्रदेश में भी आई वेंट इन because that study we did in 2016. So I remember the Himachal Pradesh incidents also. So you should also remember, you should document. Since you do not document, we do not know. You are doing very good things at your end. We do not know about them. The country doesn't know about them. Okay. And prepare for accreditation process. Now when the country, the government of India is giving you so much of money, it would also ask you of the ROI, return on investment. क्या किया? Be ready for that. Be ready for accreditation. Be ready for checkups. Be ready for inspections. करोगे, then you will not be afraid. Okay. And then regional best practices, bring out, populate your dashboards, populate your social media sites with the good work you are doing. And there are a lot of things which are to be done. यहाँ पे the dreaded angel has come. Now I see people say there are all angels here. There are no devils. But when angel comes तो डर लगता है. ठीक है. So I conclude, I'm just skipping that diets of excellence. This is a historical opportunity for you to upgrade yourself. This is total of investment which is gone this year, 1140 crore rupees. The multiplier effect is empowerment of teachers through comprehensive training, and the nurturant effect is lakhs. The number you have to put it before. This is your duty to put the number before thousand and lakhs. That would be telling the return of investment on the money which you have given as tax from your pocket to the government of India. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I know that there is a lot to discuss in this area, but keeping the time in view, we have to wind up. And
मैं दूंगी इसमें ईस्टर्न बीच बीच में आ गया था. मैंने अपनी जेब पे रख दिया था.
अब चेक करके बता.
मैं यही हूँ, मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही हूँ.
Actually, my team is new, ma'am, so they are very first time they are doing it, so they don't know when to ask, what to ask. Sorry for that. Okay. So thank you so much, ma'am, for giving the time. Because though your workshops are also running, you have come here for sparing the time and to share with us. Actually, there is a lot more to discuss in this area. There is a lot more coming up. But as we already said, this whole 5 days workshop is only a trailer for every set. Even for diet excellence, this is only a trailer session. We will be having some more extended session in this detail itself in future on this area, so that like every parameter can be understood.
There's one more thing, that is we are in our department. This is a flagship program. We conduct 5 training programs every year for every diets of every region. Now in Bhubaneswar it is going on. You can see on the social media handle of NCRT. It's a 5-day program which is going on. Then next program is going to be Shillong next month, and then later on at Mysuru in the month of January. We have covered for the northern region in Delhi, and central region, the states of Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh in June, in the month of June at Bhopal. So this is a continuous program that marks our connection with the diets. Diets are not connected to us; we connect ourselves to them.
Madam, kindly share the
Ma'am, there is 50% of the participants have died.
Yes, it will
We
be
will
shared.
be
Don't
giving
worry.
all the PPTs in your LMS only. No need to ask any resource person. That's a complete methodology. All the presentations will be uploaded
आप
into
लोग
the
ध्यान से-
LMS.
हाँ.
You are expected, we have told 1 month LMS will be open for you. If you want, you have to take effort to download.
And you told that you don't see the PPTs at all. बोला था ना? अब देखना.
Actually, anything given without any effort doesn't have meaning. We keep
I
sending
see
in
lot
the
of
hands-
effort. My lot of effort has gone, and I realized when I came from the ministry, I realized this was for Eastern State day before. So I tried to customize. I just culled out the data about your diets. In the Eastern State, I gave them availability of website in which diet it is there, and they told it is there. Jharkhand said 100% we have website availability. I just gave 4 website and I asked them to check, and those there were no websites for those diets. So this is the level of preparation we put in for a workshop despite of 30 years of experience. और फिर आप लोग कहते हैं कि हम इत्तेफाकन आ गए, तो it hurts.
We all do standing ovation, madam. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. We'll now quickly break for our break time. Okay, so let's be back by 3:40, right?